Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with illuminated star in the grille. 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB interior with a gloss black center console and aluminum trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Media display. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 63,525 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.